Hi, welcome to the 13.2 Release Management Kickoff. As a reminder, the Release Management team is responsible for the categories of release evidence, release orchestration, secrets management, and GitLab Pages. In 13.2, we're working on the depth of the Vault integration, as well as enriching the release orchestration experience to support our vision of meeting users where they're at, whether that's the API, the YAML, or the UI of GitLab. In 13.2, we have some really cool issues, obviously. So let's go ahead and dive into the first one around setting deploy freezes in the UI. This is coming off of the API extension that we made available in 12.10. And this is extending the reach of setting a deploy freeze for the deploy team members and release managers that aren't necessarily in the source code or the YAML file for a team. So this feature is a really nice addition to the API ability of setting a no deploy window. Hayana will dive into the future UX vision for deploy freezes.
Yeah, our UX vision for deploy freezes is super exciting and cover multiple user stories, such as including the ability to remove, update, deploy freezes using the UI, as well as user stories that extend the visibility throughout the application with alerts so that users know when a deploy freeze is set and they know what's happening with their environment. Additionally, since we are asking users to set deploy freezes in the UI using cron syntax, another user story is to allow these non-technical personas to see human-readable syntax descriptions in the UI so that they can easily configure deploy freezes.
This is going to be such a nice feature for all of our users who are leveraging the deploy freezes, as well as interested in scheduling no deployment windows. The next top investment is extending our release generation from the YAML file. This is a cool feature around exposing the explicit steps inside of the YAML file for the release. So whenever the release CLI tool is generating a release, users don't have to curl the tool directly. Instead, they can explicitly call out the steps for the release generation as a part of their YAML file, making it very easy for them to create releases as a part of their CI/CD process. Hayana will discuss additional features where we're going to be meeting users where they're at and helping them orchestrate and coordinate releases across multiple projects.
Yeah, since we're also investigating how to create a single view of the most important and the relevant group metrics, such as the number of releases in a group, the percentage of projects with releases, and the last 5 pass pipelines in a group that are fed by reporting on deployments. So right now we have environments in the list view, and we have the environment dashboards. We have a few places in the application where you can see and manage your environments and deployments that don't really give the managers this ability to track multiple projects at the high level. The first step towards what we call the CI/CD dashboard, the CI/CD group dashboard, was to investigate which GitLab UI components we could reuse to create this first MVC of this dashboard. So our UX goal for 13.2 is to understand how can we aggregate those metrics into a single view using these components, and how can we improve the existing user flow and user experience to support environments and releases at the group level.
The combination of exposing release steps in the YAML file and this view will really help our users plan and execute releases more seamlessly. The last investment for 13.2 is executing on our Vault integration for CI/CD jobs. This is the runner part where we're enabling the GitLab runner to fetch and retrieve secrets from Vault and inject them into the CI/CD jobs after we've delivered the JWT authentication method. This feature will really meet our bring your own Vault use case for our premium users that currently have a Vault instance and they're looking to leverage those Vault secrets for their CI/CD jobs. We did learn something new about secrets as a part of this feature, and Hayana will discuss the last UX priority for 13.2.
We discovered that Vault has a different use case for people that are using CI/CD variables. Moving forward, we are looking to match these expectations by splitting secrets and CI variables in the front end. We're going to be working on the design and the ideation of this change and the impact that that's going to have in the user flow. So this item will most likely require some prototyping and even solution validation so that we can help our engineers determine the feasibility of this feature.
If any of these issues interest you or you're really excited to learn more, please reach out to me at jmichelle on any of these issues. 13.2 is going to be the best release ever.